Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ashish Sharma. In this video we are going to learn about good governance. Good governance refers to the high quality activities of government. You can see some of the examples of it through the figures below. A good and positive rule is the structure of good governance. There are many basic characteristics of good governance, such as responsibility towards citizen, transparent judicial system, corruption-free society. There are many basic elements of good governance, such as participation, transparency, rules of law, accountability, etc. There are too many given below. You can see there also. There are many things that are needed to be considered for the good governance, such as focus on poor and minority groups in the society, good behavior and efficiency in work, proper planning and budgeting in planning works, accountability towards citizens. Above are some of the examples or things that are needed to be considered for good governance. Widespread corruption, political instability, weak civil society, lack of public pressure, etc. are the challenging points of good governance. Various effects of good governance are as follows. Corruption rate decreases from the good governance. If there is good governance, corruption rate decreases. Country becomes very peaceful. Unity in diversity increases in the country. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And today is the target of only 50 likes, guys. Please fulfill that target. See you in the next video. For that, bye bye.